breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. Big Nutbrown Hare, wake up. Our berries have gone.
What's that, little Nutbrown Hare?
The berries we picked for breakfast, they're gone. I left them on this leaf.
Oh, so they have.
But where could they have gone?
Well, maybe they blew away in the night.
There were a lot of berries. They couldn't have all blown away.
You're right. This is puzzling.
And they were the last berries on the bush. Maybe I can find them by sniffing for them. Yes, I can smell them. I'm going to find out just where our breakfast went to.
Well, good luck, little Nutbrown Hare.
Hello! Little field mouse, you startled me.
Yes, I did, didn't I? You had no idea I was there.
That's because I am on a very important hunt.
What for?
Yummy berries that I was saving for breakfast.
Then your hunt is over.
It is?
Yes, look what I just jumped out of. A bush full of yummy blueberries.
Oh, the berries I lost were red.
Oh? But these are still very delicious. I ate some this morning with my family. Why not have these for breakfast instead?
Thanks, but I want the special red berries. Big Nutbrown Hare said they were his favourite berries of all.
Oh, in that case, I might just eat some more of these. Oh, just to see if they're still delicious. They are. In fact, they're very, very delicious. And now I'm very ready to help you find your special berries.
Yay!
This is a very big meadow. Those berries could be...
They are! The red berries!
They're running away!
I'll get this end. You stop the other end. Oh, look! The runaway berry is taking an ant with it.
No, it's the other way around. The ants are taking the berries. And they tickle.
Excuse me, ants. Could you give me back my berries, please? I found them and picked them myself with Big Nutbrown Hare. Oh, they're still not stopping. I know. You could do a little dance. Then, when the ants put down the berries to clap, we can get them back.
Great idea! Ta-da! La 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 la.
Great! Wonderful! Isn't Little Field Mouse a lovely dancer? They are being so rude.
I know. Don't they want to be our friends? This is your last chance. Little Nutbrown Hare and I will close our eyes and count to 3. And if you return the berries, we can all be friends again. 1 dandelion, 2 dandelions, 3 dandelions.
Huh? Uh-oh. We've lost the berries for good.
Oh, I know you are upset, little Nutbrown Hare, But the ants were probably taking the berries home to their families, just like you brought them home for me.
Ants have families?
Of course. They live in big underground nests with lots and lots of other ants, so they need plenty of food.
Yes, look! Here's more ants taking food.
How strong they must be to carry that big piece of food.
Yes. It would be like little field mouse carrying you.
I can carry Big Nutbrown Hare. Almost.
Look how hard they're working.
Yes, they never give up.
And they never get lost.
They just keep marching, marching, finding food.
Marching, marching, finding food. It's just what ants do.
Hey, let's be ants. We can find some food and bring it back to our nest. Marching, marching, marching. Off to find some food.
Using our feelers to